Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I think you must have watched the title and been wondering what is happening actually. So yes, I trimmed my hair and I happened to shoot it. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. Also, I would like to tell you guys, this is not a tutorial. This is something which I tried out and I filmed it when I tried, cutting my hair. Please don't think this is a tutorial. I happened to see YouTube, like I saw so many videos before trying this. So in case if you want to try this, then please do your own research. I'm not very sure how this video is going to help you in case if you are looking to uh, watch side bangs. So the bangs which I went for is a side bangs. I'll show you guys in the end what it looks like, okay? And there are a lot of varieties like curtain bangs and all that, but the style which I wanted was side bangs. I always had it before. Now since I don't happen to go to salon as much as how I used to go in India, so I was like, okay, fine, let me go do it myself. So that is what you will be watching. Also guys, in this video I would have spoken so soft, okay? So I was not very sure, I was not very confident. I have cut my hair before by myself when I was in college, but it's been a really long time and I was not very sure. So please don't mind. And now let's watch the video. Okay, now section your hair into two, and based on how much thickness you want here, decide that and take a section from that point to the arch of your eyebrow here. And now clip this section away. And also clip the rest of the hair away from your face. And for now, you're going to be clipping this away like this. And I'm going to be doing the exact same thing on the other side. Now I'm going to be clipping all the hair behind. Okay, so I've done this side as well. Let's compare and see how the both sides look. Okay, now adjusting it a little bit. Yeah, now I feel it's a lot more even. Now first what you have to do is wet this. So I have some water in a spray bottle. Okay, now the first thing what I'm supposed to do is I have to trim this end. So this has gone super long, right? So just to be on the safe side, I'm going to be cutting this much in the front and then adjust the length. So another thing is when your hair is wet, it's really stretched, but there will be a lot of waves and everything in your hair, right? So when it sets, it shortens. So I have to be like really careful while doing this. So I have to be like really careful while doing this. And now I'm just measuring it, and I'm gonna be trimming it here. First, I'm going to be chopping this. Okay, now based on which side you would like to take your partition. So this is my left side and I would like to have it left to right. That way I like my fringe to be, like this. So what I'm going to be doing now, so if you want your fringe on the like left to right, you have to take it on the right and cut it. Okay, that's how it works. So you have to actually go on the opposite direction and then trim it. That's what all the YouTube tutorials said. So let's see. I'm gonna cut in this angle. Not bad, I guess. Oops, hi gray hair. Okay, hi two gray hairs. Okay, now I'm going to be trimming it a little bit more. Just going a little shorter. So again, I'm going to do the exact same thing. Keeping my fingers going straight down and just trimming this much. Okay, I'm very happy with this length. Now, the next step, what I'm going to do is I'm taking this hair in the front, dividing it into two like this, and give this some layers. So let me clip this away so that I can see. Okay, so this hair, again I'm going to be pulling it like this. And I'm going to do it okay. Now I'm going to be pinning this and do the same with the front. Okay, now I'm done. Let me see how all of this is blending with my hair. Not bad. I'm really happy. I'm really loving how my hair looks, and this is exactly what I want. So I'll show you properly how this looks once I style my hair. Okay, so this is how my bangs look like after styling. So I just put a ponytail to show you guys how it looks like the bangs alone and separately. So yeah, this is exactly how it looks. It's like shorter here on the top and a little longer as it comes below. This is exactly how I wanted, and yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you guys like it and I'll see you guys very soon in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.